If your Jeep Wrangler sun visor no longer stays in place and keeps dropping down while you drive, this practical sun visor repair kit is a smart and cost-effective solution. Instead of replacing the entire visor assembly, which can be expensive and unnecessary, this repair kit allows you to fix the most common problem caused by age and wear quickly and reliably. Designed specifically for Jeep Wranglers from 1998 to 2002, this application-specific kit restores the original function of sagging or cracked visors using durable aluminum components. Unlike the factory plastic parts that often fail over time, the metal replacement pieces are built for strength and long-term use, helping your visor stay firmly in position mile after mile. The complete kit includes everything needed for a proper repair, with one mount, one spring, one washer, and 4 push nuts. It can be used on both the driver and passenger sides, making it a flexible option whether you are fixing one visor or both. Installation is straightforward for most vehicle owners, and the parts fit directly without modification when installed correctly. This repair helps restore driving comfort and safety by keeping the sun visor exactly where you need it, reducing glare and distractions while on the road. It is an ideal choice for Jeep owners who want a dependable fix that saves time and money while maintaining the original look of the interior. Before purchasing, be sure to confirm fitment by entering your vehicle's make, model, and trim level using the garage tool. Click the link in the video description to check compatibility and order this sun visor repair kit today. Subscribe to the channel to discover more practical and budget-friendly automotive solutions designed to keep your vehicle in great shape.